Welcome back. Continuing the news. The local aviation sector could return to pre-COVID-19 levels by 2022. The industry, which has lost billions of dollars due to the virus, is banking on the vaccination and overall innovation for a strong return. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Jamaica's aviation sector, like the global industry, has been one of the hardest hit due to the COVID-19 pandemic. While cargo flights increased due to the pandemic, passenger loads hit almost rock bottom. In the US alone, analysts estimate the 2020 losses to be in the sum of $35 billion. Airlines have had to employ cost containment measures, laying off thousands of workers, and accelerating retirement of aging fleets. But Director General of the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, Nari Williams-Singh, says the local sector may rebound sooner than many expect.
We are looking at 18 months, I would say, before we get back to pre-COVID numbers.
But is the target a bit ambitious?
We perhaps it is, but I think, as I said, we have seen the vaccines that are now out, and we certainly hope that they are as effective as they are touted to be, and that will also have a significant impact on those projections that we're making.
However, the global forecast is shifting. The International Air Transportation Association, IATA, this week announced that the likely return to pre-COVID-19 levels will not be until 2024, a year later than previously projected. So the local outlook is likely to also shift, but there are some good signs.
And we are seeing that carriers more and more are increasing their schedule. We're also seeing some new entrants that have expressed an interest to operate into Montego Bay. But we have seen carriers that have, certainly the Southwest, JetBlues, Copa, WestJet, Air Canada. British Airways just recently resumed operations into Montego Bay after a very long hiatus. So we are seeing that trend.
At the height of the pandemic, Jamaica lost between 85 and 90% of its air traffic volumes. Mr. Williams-Singh says how the sector and the world adjust will determine how soon the industry will recover. And with the prospects of multiple vaccines and innovation in aviation, the post-COVID-19 aviation sector should boast improved operation mechanisms. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.